Hello everybody, watching Daniel the Champs 115. Looks like we're in for a thunderstorm, but I'm gonna go for a night ride and go have a coffee. I love the thunder and lightning. I don't care if it's raining. This is my favorite part of the year, so we have stuff like this. So, hopefully you enjoy the video. Sit back, relax, enjoy the rain sound. That was nice. Alright. Turn that off. Well, we'll be right back, everybody. I'll get back, everybody. Oh, I think I'm just going to take a trip over to Hasty Mart. See what kind of oil they got. My little glowing lights on the side now. I have a headlight, but I disactivated because if I turn it on right now, it'll blind everybody. It's pointed up at an angle, so I'm sure the light glowing underneath will be good enough for them. I got this little X light too. It's good for a cup holder. So it works out. This is probably the smallest e-bike anybody will ever see in town. It's smaller than one of those Bolt things. And probably faster. I could wheelie on my other one, but yeah, it doesn't do it on this one. Probably a little front heavy. Forks up there are a little heavy. Probably heavier than the whole frame. Well, it seems like it was just a short storm, but we got some of it. I thought we were going to get some more rain than that, but it's swelling. Never ever seems to last long. It's like the clouds come towards Welland and then they just like go right around us. Cheat a little bit here. Ooey. It's a dead night. Okay, barely any cars. Okay, well, there was. I don't know why. They come out of nowhere when it seems to be dead. It was the main road, so normally when I go down here it's pretty dead though. Oh, that was a good one. Look how quick this little thing is. It's crazy. Park anywhere. Alright, let's see what kind of .4 brake fluid they got. If they got any. Tasty Mart. They got such a like large variety of things, so I love coming here. The other one's got a lot less. This one's got so much more. Last time I came in here, I'm pretty sure they had it. If not, it was .4. I'm gonna have to get one or the other. Oil, I definitely need. Now for a 125 4-stroke, this is normally, which I was told differently, but I believe 10W40 in the winter and 10W30 in the summertime. Please comment down below if I'm wrong, but I'm going to go with the brake fluid, so if someone can comment and let me know about that before I buy it, that'd be greatly appreciated there. So Yeah, I need to get brake fluid. Mine's pretty brown and gross looking. So, dot 4, dot 4. I got dot 3. Where's your dot 4? Got no dot 4. 2 stroke. Mine's not a dot 3 or 4. It only takes dot 4. So, well, I don't want to buy all of that. That's a little crazy. Like, that'd be good for a while, but I don't need that much right now. Might be the only thing we got now. Yeah, I can get the 10W30. Oh man, why are they gonna have so much in a bottle there? I don't need so much. Brake clean. Well. I wonder if the other gas station would have it. I don't think so. Well, it's not very much to choose from, so... I want to get this much, though? Like, that's crazy. I'll have it for a long time, I guess. Just trying to double check here so I don't walk out of here with this. And they have a smaller bottle, so it would suck. What's this? Oh, 10W30. I figure that's what I need, but I do need an oil change. Mine's pretty black. The brake would probably be more needed. Responsive. Benzoil. Of course, they haven't. I think I'll do the oil change. I don't want to pay $20 for all this. I can get the $10 stuff on Amazon. I don't know. Is that gonna be enough? It's gotta be better than the oil I have, though. Oh God. You know, I'm not gonna get anything. I'm gonna get it somewhere else. And I can get dot 4 somewhere else. I don't want to buy all that. I don't need that much. Just need the smaller one. Just this one. Why can't I use this stuff though? It's dot 3. Frig. Not even cool. Couldn't have had dot 4. Everybody uses dot 4. No. Alright, done. It's got a Sail Classic single. Yeah, that's all. Thank you very much. Have a nice night. Sorry about that. Well, I was expecting them to have .4, not .3. But, well, I expected .3, but I think they would add both. But I can go to another gas station, I guess. That's alright though. I'll just go to the one by my house. I normally cut it before when I go into stores, but figured I'd bring you all in there. I wonder if I was so tiny he didn't see me. No, probably not. I ain't doing anything bad. This actually goes below the speed limit, plus it's only like, I don't even think this is level to like class 1 level e-bike. It's only a 500 watt motor on it, so no, I think it's a 750. Still way under the classification. Has to be level 3 and over. Okay. Hilarious. Plus you get the pedal kit. Bundle friend. I guess any e-bike really. As long as it's not over 3,000 watts. Never mind the peak performance of the 5,000 that I had. It's over 3,000 watts, I believe. But then again, it all changes. So, mine was fully legal. I hate riding an e-bike that doesn't have lights. Like I have this one that has these lights, but I can't really put turn signals on this one, so I would if I could. Like, I mean, I can get the, what are those ones? off of Amazon, like battery operated ones. If you get those. Yeah, I should put my rain canopy on this little thing. That'd be funny. Oh, getting a little wet now. I was gonna say this road gets a little hectic sometimes. I figure I'd go a little bit further down than make the U-turn. Not really supposed to do that, but whatever. Not encouraging people to do it. But a lot of people do it anyways. Alright. See if we find any in here. I don't know what that noise was. Weird though. Alrighty.
Cheese.
Doing job, dot 3A. Man. That's not good. Well, that's the option in here. No, I don't know. Everything's telling me to get oil. It doesn't really matter as long as it's 10W30. I should have went with the other one though. It's like a cheaper brand. I don't know. I don't want to go cheaper. I already put the best gasoline in my tank. I should probably give it the best oil. Oh god. Fuel injector. Don't need that. No, it stinks. I don't want to get this. Sorry everybody for taking so long. Jeez. I haven't got it before, so I don't know. Alright, well, I have to go to Canadian Tire and get some .4. If not, I can get it off of Amazon, but I'll wait on that. Hey, excuse me, can I use your lighter?
I don't have it on me, buddy. It's
No?
in my car.
Oh, okay. Thanks. Yeah. Oh, there's a lot of water splashing up on me. It's all good. Well, hopefully it's nicer tomorrow. And I'm gonna go for a dirt bike ride. Now it's all cleaned, maintained, starting up better. Got my good gasoline in it. I got that premium in there. The highest, most expensive one. I could have got regular. I don't think there's really a difference. Premium probably just runs better. Obviously. Yeah, take the dirt bike out down the countryside. Then I'm gonna go over to the little trails where everybody goes. Just across the bridge there. Over by the rowing club. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like. If you thought it was worth mentioning to family members or friends, please share. It really helped me reach more people. If you thought the video was awesome and you'd love to see more videos just like today's or earlier's, then subscribe hopefully. Until then, thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful night, and you'll see me on the next video. And if you'd love to see future content that I post, hit that bell notification. Peace out, everybody.